video, we're going to unbox the Insta360 Titan, introducing you to everything that comes with this cinematic VR camera. For this unboxing, we'll show you the items in the standard Insta360 Titan camera bundle. The package serves as a travel protection case. Let's open up this protection case and take a look inside. You'll get an Insta360 Titan camera, far sight remote monitoring system, power supply set, antennas, connection cable kit, and other accessories. On top of the camera, you can find two antenna ports, one 3.5mm audio input port, a USB 2.0 Type A port, and a standard 1/4-inch mounting point. Remove the top cap, and this is where you put the battery. The 8 lenses, 4 ambisonic mics, and status indicators are located in the middle part of the camera. You can control the device by using the control panel on the OLED display screen and 4 buttons: the power enter button, return button, setting button, and switch button. At the bottom of the camera, you can find 9 SD card slots, a standard 3/8-inch mounting point, and ports for various functions, including HDMI 2.0 Type D port, LAN port, USB Type-C port, USB 3.0 Type A port, and another 3.5mm audio input port. Before we jump into shooting, let's go through the setup of Insta360 Titan. You'll need to insert 9 V30 UHS-1 SD cards with exFAT format. Screw the AP, Wi-Fi, and GPS antennas onto the camera to enable GPS function and boost the transmission signal. You can use different power supply options, including the power adapter, battery, or external power supply system. Now, you can enjoy your very first shoot.